How to check out or view your former usernames on Instagram. Well, let me show you how it's done. So first things first, you open up Instagram and go to your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner, and over here on the top right corner you can see the menu, and over here in the menu you go to your activity, which is the third tab, and once you click on your activity you go to account history, and over here you can see all the changes that have been made over time to this account, like privacy, password, bio. But since on this account I have only ever changed my username once, so my history will also show me that your username has been changed to so and so, but since I've done it only once, it is only showing me that I've changed my username once. But all the other history has been checked in, as you can see over here, and all you have to do is go and find username, and every time you change a username it will be logged in here, and you can see that you can see your old username as shown over here. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and that's pretty much it. Bye bye.